What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today will be the 20th feeding, and we'll check in to see how the last feeding went with the watermelon and potatoes. Let's see how everything's looking. Oh, with this feeding I put the whole oats on top, and I have a little bit, they kind of looks like they went, I don't want to say bad, but there's like a mold on them. So I guess I won't feed the whole oats. I'll go ahead and I'll make sure that I use the blended stuff. So let's see if I can still have some potato, which is good, and it's keeping the worms interested. That actually kind of feels a little warm. Oh, there's the peach pit. They went ahead and completely ate all the skin off of that and the flesh. There's a little baby worm right there. There's actually one right there on the glove. Oh yeah, I put the big pile of just regular paper here so I can kind of start to incorporate that. And with some of the other bins, I started incorporating a little bit of that leaf mold. So I think, what the heck, I'll go ahead and I'll add a little bit to this one too. This feeding is going to be a little quicker than the last. It's going to have the watermelon. I had some lettuce out in the garden that went ahead and started to bolt. So I just trimmed that up, stuck it in the freezer. I'll go ahead and add a little bit of the ground eggshell. A little bit of the coffee. The old food scraps. Last but not least, a little bit of the ground up worm chow instead of the whole oats. When I removed the lid, it spilled a little bit of moisture onto the floor, so I used the paper towel to wipe it up. So that's it for the feeding. I'm going to go ahead and put this cover back on. There's a worm on top there. Just do a quick look underneath. Yeah, there's a few worms that are poking through. out there enjoying some of the juices from the watermelon, enjoying some potato juices. Yeah, that's looking great. So Patrick was asking me the last feeding about how many worms I think are in there, and I'm bad at the guesstimation, but this has been going on for, I want to say, about 140 days now. So I started with 350, so I would definitely say we're in like the 550 to 700 ish area, just kind of as a quick guess. I did get a new light that I have a little closer, so let me know how it looks, if it looked okay, you know, if there's any weird colors or anything like that that I may have to kind of either edit out or you know, maybe change the filter or the lens. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop it down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out this feeding. Everybody have a great day.